Hey everyone, I quickly want to show you how to access your grades, and maybe some of you already know how to do that. That's great. I've had a couple people ask me, how do they know what they're missing? How do they know how they're doing in the class? So I just want to quickly show you that for those of you that are still a little confused. I do believe it's probably within module 0. I believe it's in one of the videos, but I'll show you real quick right now. So we're on our home page. I'm going to go to student view, so it should show like what you see. So here I am. This is the student view. I'm on the home page. If you go to the left-hand side, there is a tab that says grades. So you'll click on that. And then obviously this is not yours. This is just an example. So it'll have all the assignments that I've assigned you, and it will have the status of it, whether it's missing, whether it's completed, and it will also have the score. So if you're ever confused about what you're missing or what you've done or what you haven't done, just go to grades and it will tell you what you've done and what you haven't done. And we'll also tell you the score you got on them. And then at the bottom, it'll have a cumulative grade so far in the class. That's right here. So anyway, just a quick video for those of you who needed to know maybe how to check your grade and how to make sure you were what assignments you were missing or what ones you had done. All right, thanks guys.